Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on it and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.